In the diverse tapestry of our world, sports are not merely a pastime. They are a reflection of our culture, a source of unity, and a celebration of the human spirit. These sports from around the globe transcend their physical boundaries to become more than just games. They tell stories, bridge divides, and embody the essence of our shared humanity. So, let's embark on a journey through the remarkable world of sports that go beyond competition. Number 15. Irish dance. Irish dance is more than a physical performance. It's a representation of Ireland's rich cultural heritage. With its intricate footwork and vibrant costumes, it tells stories of the country's history and traditions. Irish dance is a celebration of the country's identity and spirit. Number 14. Sumo wrestling. With roots dating back to over 1,000 years, sumo wrestling holds deep cultural significance in Japan as a sport that embodies tradition and is the embodiment of Japanese values, serving as a symbol of national pride and a sacred art form rooted in Shinto rituals. Sumo emphasizes values like discipline, respect, and honor, as wrestlers adhere to strict rituals and customs both inside and outside the ring. Number 13. Quidditch. Inspired by the fictional sport played on flying broomsticks in the Harry Potter series, Quidditch has been adapted into a real-world sport. Finding its real-life beginnings at Middlebury College in Vermont, USA, it has since expanded to a global phenomenon with teams and tournaments in many countries. Participants run with broomsticks between their legs and aim to score points by throwing balls through hoops. It's a full-contact sport with elements of rugby, dodgeball, and capture the flag, making it an unusual and action-packed game. Number 12. Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho, an ancient Indian sport, is more than just a game. It's a link to the country's rich history. The sport demands agility, strategy, and teamwork. It has been cherished for generations and reflects the enduring spirit of India. Number 11. Capoeira. Originating in Brazil, capoeira is not just a martial art, it's a cultural expression. With its blend of acrobatics, music, and dance, capoeira embodies the spirit of freedom and resilience. It was created by enslaved Africans as a form of resistance, and today it stands as a testament to their indomitable spirit. Number 10. Muay Thai. Muay Thai, also known as Thai boxing, is not just a sport, it's a way of life in Thailand. The art of 8 limbs, with its rich traditions and rituals, reflects the country's values and spirituality. Fighters are revered for their discipline, honor, and dedication to their craft. Number 9. Hurling. In Ireland, hurling is not just a sport, it's a matter of pride and identity. With its fast pace, unique skills, and passionate fan base, hurling has deep cultural significance. Matches between counties are epic clashes that unite communities and evoke a deep sense of belonging. Number 8. Rugby. Rugby, a sport born in England, has evolved into a global phenomenon. Nations like New Zealand, Australia, and South Africa have embraced it as a cultural touchstone. The Rugby World Cup is more than just a tournament. It's a celebration of tradition, camaraderie, and the indomitable spirit of the sport. Number 7. Basketball. Basketball has a unique power to bridge divides. The game, born in the United States, has spread its influence far and wide. From the NBA to the courts of rural Africa, basketball connects people. It played a significant role in diplomatic relations between the United States and China, showcasing how sports can facilitate dialogue and understanding. As the squeak of sneakers on hardwood floors echoes in packed arenas and neighborhood courts alike, the power of basketball to inspire, entertain, and bring people together is undeniable. It's a sport that proves that it's not about where you come from, but where you're headed, and it's the journey, the camaraderie, and the love for the game that truly matter. Number 6. Cheese rolling, Gloucestershire, England. In this bizarre sport, participants chase a wheel of cheese down a steep hill. The objective is to catch the rolling cheese or reach the finish line first. The event, which takes place annually at Cooper's Hill, has become famous for its sheer unpredictability and the humorous tumbles participants take while racing downhill. Number 5. Samba and football in Brazil. In Brazil, the fusion of samba music and football creates an electrifying celebration. The sport is more than a passion, it's part of Brazil's soul. The dazzling skills of players like Pelé, Ronaldo, and Ronaldinho have become cultural touchstones. Every goal scored is not just a point on the scoreboard, but a stroke in the country's artistic masterpiece. Number 4. Baseball. In the United States and Japan, baseball is a sport with deep cultural roots. It's not just a game, but a reflection of the country's values. Baseball's history, from Babe Ruth to Shohei Ohtani, is woven into the fabric of these nations, and the stadiums are sanctuaries where fans come together to celebrate their love for the game. Number 3. Underwater hockey. Underwater hockey, also known as octopus, is a fast-paced sport played at the bottom of a swimming pool. The game was invented in Great Britain in 1954 to help train divers and British commandos. Teams of players equipped with snorkels, fins, and small sticks compete to push a weighted puck into the opposing team's goal. It requires excellent breath control and agility in the water. Number 2. Cricket. In India, Pakistan, England, Australia, and beyond, cricket is more than just a sport. The fierce rivalries, the cricketing legends, and the roaring stadiums reveal cricket's cultural significance. Matches can halt entire nations, bring families together, and spark celebrations like no other. The sound of leather on willow is a soothing lullaby for some, and a call to arms for others. When fans gather at the stadium or around their television screens, they aren't just watching a match, they are participating in a cultural phenomenon, celebrating the spirit of cricket that runs deep in their veins. It's not just about runs and wickets, it's about tradition, emotion, and the enduring love for the game. Number 1. Soccer, football. Soccer, known as football in most parts of the world, stands as the undisputed king of sports. It's not just a game, it's a universal language that unites billions. From the favelas of Brazil to the streets of Barcelona, soccer connects people across borders. The FIFA World Cup, held every 4 years, showcases the unifying power of this sport, where nations set aside their differences to celebrate the beautiful game. In our world of diversity and differences, these sports serve as bridges, uniting people across borders and telling stories that transcend language and culture. They are a testament to the fact that sports are more than just games. They are a reflection of our culture, a universal language, and a celebration of the human spirit. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe and press that like button. Also, hit the bell icon so you could never miss new updates from us. Thank you for watching, and we will meet you in the next one.